Welcome. If you're experiencing the frustrating black screen issue on Pinterest, you're not alone. Many users have encountered this problem, but fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Let's walk through these solutions together. First, close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause the black screen. After closing the app completely, launch it again and see if the issue persists. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Pinterest to function properly. Open your device's settings, then click on the network icon to ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your connection is weak or unstable, consider switching networks or resetting your router. If your internet is working fine, try restarting your device. This can help refresh system resources and resolve any underlying issues that might be affecting the Pinterest app. Once your device has restarted, open the app again to check if the problem is resolved. If you're still facing the black screen issue, it's time to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings and find Pinterest settings. From there, select Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache. Confirm this action, as it will help remove any corrupted data that might be causing the black screen. After clearing the cache, reopen Pinterest and see if it works correctly now. If not, you may want to consider reinstalling the app as a last resort. Uninstall Pinterest from your device, restart it again, and then download the latest version from your app store. By following these steps, closing and reopening the app, checking your internet connection, restarting your device, and clearing the app cache, you should be able to fix the Pinterest black screen issue effectively. Remember that keeping your app updated is also crucial for optimal performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Happy pinning!